Hello everybody, my name is Nick and you're watching for Leet. Here we have few BENRO products. Now I've said a few BENRO products, but this is actually all the same tripod. Virtually all the same. These two are exactly the same with the exception of the head. This is a photo head. This is TSL0ANOO, and this is, let me check, personally I cannot remember all this. This is TSL08A S2CSH. These two tripods are virtually exactly the same. Folded up, they are about 520-510 millimeters, and fully extended they are about 1450 millimeters. This is more than enough for these types of tripod. Now they weigh about 1.4 kilograms, and the maximum load of the video tripod is 250, and of photo is 4 kilograms. Now, as I've said, this is exactly the same tripod, the difference being the head. I'm not sure why that's such a low rating for this video tripod, because the video tripod seems to be perfectly well built, and I found it to be very good. But there must be some reason why they set this low rating, or it might just be a typo. That would be more logical to me. Now, I really like these types of tripod because it's very easy to unlock these three segments in comparison to some other tripods like the one that I had, although I might just be too lazy. This is magnesium and aluminium alloy tripod, so this is a very durable type of tripod. Now this is, as I said, virtually exactly the same as these two. This is TCL08C and NOO. NOO is obviously the ball photo head, and why it's C, it's because it's carbon fiber. This weighs only about 1 kilogram, which is significantly lighter than the aluminium counterpart, while the maximum load capacity stays exactly the same of 4 kilograms. Obviously, you do have the same design in terms of unlocking the segments of the legs, and the rest is virtually exactly the same. Obviously, just like the other one, you can extend the legs pretty, you can fold the legs pretty wide angles. You obviously get the bag for carrying the tripod in all three cases. The bag is exactly the same because the tripods are exactly the same. Now, who would I suggest these three tripods for? If you are beginning in the world of photography, this is definitely a good option for you because it's right there in the middle. You will not be spending extraordinary amounts of money, and you do get something that's going to last you for a very long time, and you will not need to change it for something better, although you probably will, because all of us always want the best and the brightest. Now you will be changing it for something a bit more shiny, so to say, later in the life, but this is more than enough for most people, even for professional work. Obviously, the load capacity of 4 kilograms is not something extraordinary, and once you do get something a bit heavier in that regard, you will have to get something a bit more sturdy, but that's a long way away for most people. You're watching Leet. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Until the next time, goodbye.